This is Rua do Barca do Lenha. I'll tell you all about it in a second. This is also part of it too, but they're doing some construction down here. But I'm going to film going upward instead. But we're basically going to be walking down this little road right here. And just to give you a little bit of a reference, we're parallel with this other street right here. Just to give you some reference of where we are exactly. This is Avenida de Ribera. Avenida Ribera. So we're parallel with this street. Kind of a cool main street. And we're just gonna walk down this little that little street, that side street right there. So stay tuned. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so what I'm going to do is we're just going to walk down this little street a little bit, and then we're going to go back to our focus street. But I just want to walk down it so you can capture that the fact that it has all these beautiful black and white tiles. And we're going to go into an alley over here. You got all this kind of cool stuff as well, all the way down. All kinds of cool stuff. We're going to keep developing this, and it'll be more and more interesting. And this is basically our little target street right here. The Barca, the Lenha. So we're going to carefully walk down it. And this little street right here. So it's basically a street parallel to the to that main street, Avenida Ribera. But we kind of have some interesting stuff in here, including this this tree. And they're actually, it looks like they're doing something with this space right here. So there's a tree that's right there. That tree goes all the way up. They're doing a bunch of construction here, and they're kind of watching what I'm doing with the camera. But I wanted to capture that tree because I used to film this street before, like maybe 2 years ago was the last time. And I always would film that street because it would just follow up the wall. I always thought that was really cool. Okay, so now we're gonna keep on walking down through this alley. And so yeah, basically this whole street is just parallel, but it's kind of goes behind all these kitchens. So it's kind of cool. I think it's cool. And then you have these back streets. You have some shops where they sell different things. There's one right here as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. So we're kind of in an alley, but there's like kind of interesting stuff everywhere. I think I'm just gonna capture it like that for a moment. That goes back to that busy street right over there. And this is also a pedestrian street as well. So I think this whole, I guess I should show you real quick as well. I gotta give you all the proper context before we go up our street. But this says Wynn Casino right here. And Wynn Casino is pumping in a lot of money to this street, in particular right here, called Rua de Felicidade. Rua de Felicidade. This is a famous, this restaurant has a lot of history too, 1903. Macanese food. But this street right here is Rua de Felicidade. And so our street runs a little bit parallel to it. There's all this Christmas stuff too. Let me just get away from the crowd a little bit. One of the things you'll notice here is like the style of these is these sing-song girls used to entertain men basically, and they were really good with entertainment, poetry, dancing, very skilled in lots of different ways. And so this street would have that kind of entertainment was here, and then they made prostitution illegal, but it was prostitution, but it was also other stuff too, more like geisha, I think, my understanding. So that was here on this street. So so this is Felicidade, Rua de Felicidade, and then that main street over there is Almeida Ribeira, which is a main street that connects Senado Square with the Inner Harbor. Win, the reference right there, is a casino that's pumping in a lot of money into this area. They pledged the government that they would put money into it. Like, everybody had to do a proposal, and they submitted their proposal for what they wanted to do, and Win put it into this area. So this area is kind of a historical area, which I'm really excited about, that they're going to put all this money into it. So this street right here as well will be a pedestrian street. So they'll have they have the sign right here as well. And that was the street that we were just on a little while ago. So you can see the black and white tiles. Okay. So that gives you a little bit more context of things. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our alley. Which is right here. To the Barca, the Lenha. Feels cleaner than the last time I was here. There's a little shrine right here. That could really get geared up for tourism. I mean, shrines shouldn't be for tourism, but I mean, I wonder what that building is. Looks like electric. Yeah, there's kind of lots of like kind of mystery stuff. Then you got a restaurant right here. Got like a got a lot of stuff right here. They even got the bangwa right there to scare away the spirits. It's a nice new bangwa as well. It's like really new. Huh. There's also a lot of incense right in here too. That's actually fresh. Somebody threw a cigarette in there. It's like a fresh cigarette as well. Shark fin. Nice shark fin. Huh. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up. The incense is, it's like a chair right there. Beauty salon. Huh. So this is our Target Street right here. It's a little Becco right here. Wow. Huh. Look at that. Somebody goes in here. Interesting. Juicy. So that's our wood right there. When you come out here. So kind of cool. You got kind of an amazing building right there in the corner. Got a little Beko. Little Beko is like right. I think this all these little areas would be, they're going to change because of that street up there. That's a little Beko right there. Another patio de Otero. And then this just comes right up into here. So yeah, getting busier and busier. So yeah, so basically our little side street is was right in there, and there's a lot of interesting little things everywhere in here too. Including that little Beko. Anyways, I guess we'll just end the video. All right. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Linha.